Sophie Japan trip. Let's follow Sophie's Japan trip step by step while boosting your English vocabulary, phrases, and grammar. I am at the airport. I am at the airport. I am at Japan. I am at Japan. I travel in a bullet trains. I travel in a bullet trains. I visit Tokyo Sky Tree Tower. I visit Tokyo Sky Tree Tower. I explored Osaka Castle. I explored Osaka Castle. I am at Shibuya Crossing. I am at Shibuya Crossing. I climb Mount Fuji. I climb Mount Fuji. I love the cherry blossoms. I love the cherry blossoms. I am eating sushi. I am eating sushi. I stay in a ryokan. I stay in a ryokan. I love Japan onsen. 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 I am eating Japanese ramen. I am eating Japanese ramen. Onsen. An onsen is a traditional Japanese hot spring bath, famous for its relaxing and healing properties. Ryokan. A traditional Japanese inn that offers a full cultural experience. Ramen is a delicious Japanese noodle soup with flavorful broth. Kimono. A traditional Japanese garment known for its elegant, long sleeves and beautiful patterns. Sushi. A famous Japanese dish made of vinegared rice combined with raw fish, seafood, or other ingredients. Bullet train. The Shinkansen, bullet train, is Japan's super-fast, ultra-punctual train system that connects major cities in record time. Cherry blossoms. Sakura are Japan's iconic pink flowers that bloom beautifully each spring, symbolizing new beginnings. Sumo. A Japan's national sport where big wrestlers try to push each other out of a ring. Airport. An airport is a place where airplanes take off and land, allowing people to travel to different destinations. Tea ceremony is a traditional Japanese ritual of preparing and serving matcha green tea with graceful movements and mindfulness. Osaka Castle is a historic Japanese landmark with a beautiful golden tower, surrounded by gardens and moats. Tokyo Skytree Tower is Japan's tallest tower, offering stunning city views from its observation decks. Thanks for watching.